Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming wire gauge and selecting the matching Quick Connect. This matters because mismatch causes poor contact. Once done, cut power and verify with a tester so you work safely. Now strip 0, 25 to 0. 375 inches of insulation, peel straight, avoid nicking the conductor. Nicked wires break under stress. Make sure the stripped length fits the connector barrel exactly and hold the conductor steady while you move to insertion. You now insert the wire fully into the barrel. Stop when the insulation meets the connector mouth because proper depth prevents exposed conductor. Next, position the connector in the crimper and apply a firm, controlled squeeze. If using a ratchet crimper, compress until it releases. After crimping, visually inspect for a smooth barrel and no stray strands. Then perform a 5 to 10 pound pull test to confirm mechanical strength. If it fails, cut and redo with a fresh connector. You finish by applying heat shrink or the provided insulating sleeve to protect against moisture and provide strain relief. Heat evenly until snug. Then reconnect power and measure continuity and voltage under load to ensure low resistance and correct polarity. If the connection is intermittent or loose, stop, cut back to fresh copper, restrip 0. 25 to 0. 375 inches, and use the correct size connector or a heavier-duty crimper. One key troubleshooting tip. A loose crimp usually means wrong die or undersized barrel. Replace and redo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.